Like I said, I like to ask questions. So now's my chance to ask you a question. What percent of incoming new inquiries into your business do your salespeople disqualify? Would it shock you to learn that there was a study where 70% of incoming inquiries were disqualified by salespeople? Now here's the scary part. Of the 70% disqualified, 80% went on to buy within 12 months. Talk about a sales opportunity. Talk about an opportunity to add value to your bottom line. So why are salespeople not following up? It's not that they're not following up. They're quickly dismissing. Their gut tells them that this sale is just not going to happen. They have a fear. They have a fear that if they enter it into the CRM system, their boss is going to be riding herd over them on asking them why they're not moving it along in the system. And then, of course, with the current economy, what we're faced with today, salespeople have a real fear for their jobs. So the last thing they need is to give their manager quantifiable data that shows that they're not effective at closing sales. The problem with this is it's all backwards. What's critical is you need to understand the buying process. If your salesperson clearly understood the buying process and you shared it and you trained them in the buying process, it sets new expectations. It sets a new set of rules. It creates definitions. One of the frustrations I see between marketing and sales is a lack of common definitions. What's an inquiry? What's a prospect? And what's a lead? Your team must clearly articulate what those mean to your team. I really don't care what it means to other teams, but within your building, everybody needs to be on the same page. Once they are, then you can create a sales process that keeps the flow through the system and ultimately turns into a sale. What happens if your salesperson follows the process that you gave him or her? They've reached out to a customer 7 times, they haven't engaged. Well, you can predetermine after so many attempts, that potential inquiry can then go back into the marketing funnel. And what you can do is serve that customer with a lead nurturing campaign. I promise you, if you create a sales process with very definitive roles, clear definitions, and when someone goes back into the marketing funnel, you're going to improve your sales results.